Alright, so this is going to be a short video on how to replace the battery in your BMW X4. This is the G02 model, so it's a very recent model of the X4. This is for 2018 to present here. If you don't have the display key, you might have this sleek kind of shaped key. It's got a replaceable battery. So the first thing you're going to want to do on your X4 key is depress this side here at the top to release the valet key. Now once you've done that, right next to where the valet key slot is on the back here, there's a little, just a slight little hole that's about perfect size for like a small flathead screwdriver, or even the key itself. You can kind of use it as leverage. Get it in that hole there, and this will allow you to pop off this back here. Once you've removed the back, you get access to the internal replaceable watch battery here. This is a CR2032 battery, 3 volt, and to remove this, just take at the top here, kind of pop out. There's these 2 holdings at the top and this base part that kind of keeps this battery in place. Just kind of get underneath that and whoop, and this thing can pop a little bit. There's some good springs on it. So grab a new battery. Again, this is the CR2032. Pop that in there and just kind of place the bottom parts first so it doesn't go flying like that. Boom, pop that thing back in. So you've replaced the internal battery now. Take your backing and place in this curved part at the base first. Pop that back in, put your valet key back, and that's how you replace the 2032 battery on your BMW X4.